The tilt of the Earth's axis is the primary reason for the changing seasons. Australia and South Africa experience summer during December, January, and February. The Earth is farthest from the Sun, aphelion, during the Northern Hemisphere's summer. The Southern Hemisphere has its longest day around December 21st, known as the summer solstice. The Arctic Circle experiences a phenomenon called the midnight sun during its summer months. Seasons are not caused by varying distances from the Sun but by the axial tilt in Earth's orbit. Spring and autumn, fall, are transitional seasons when day and night durations are nearly equal. The equator experiences consistent day length throughout the year, leading to tropical climates. The Northern Hemisphere has its longest day around June 21st, known as the summer solstice. The term equinox refers to the 2 points in the year when day and night are approximately equal. In Antarctica, there are periods of constant daylight, polar day, and constant darkness, polar night. The tilt of Earth's axis is about 23.5 degrees, responsible for the variation in sunlight received by different regions. The Southern Hemisphere's winter solstice occurs around June 21st, with the shortest day and longest night. The concept of seasons is more pronounced at higher latitudes, leading to distinct changes in climate and temperature. Different cultures celebrate festivals and holidays tied to seasonal changes, such as harvest festivals in autumn. The Antarctic Circle experiences a phenomenon called the polar night during its winter months. The tilt of the Earth's axis remains relatively constant throughout the year, contributing to seasonal consistency. The tilt of the Earth's axis is not fixed but undergoes slow changes over thousands of years. The word solstice comes from the Latin words sol, sun, and sistere, to stand still. The changing angle of sunlight during seasons affects the intensity and duration of daylight hours. The seasons are opposite in the northern and southern hemispheres, creating a perpetual cycle of change on Earth. The equinoxes occur around March 21st and September 21st, marking the start of spring and autumn, respectively. The phenomenon known as albedo influences how much sunlight is absorbed or reflected by Earth during different seasons. The Arctic Circle experiences a phenomenon called the polar day during its summer months. The transition between seasons is more gradual near the equator, resulting in a more consistent climate. Seasonal changes influence the migration patterns of birds, with many species traveling thousands of miles. Some plants are triggered to bloom based on the changing seasons, ensuring optimal conditions for pollination. The tilt of the Earth's axis was likely caused by collisions with celestial objects during its formation. Earth's axial tilt is less pronounced than that of some other planets in our solar system. The seasons influenced ancient agricultural practices, with planting and harvesting aligned to seasonal changes.